it's Mariam. I am joined here with my equine service partner, Posa. It is about 20 degrees out right now and only going to get colder as the week goes on. Welcome to a very chilly edition of Stable Snippets. Let's see how the herd is faring in this cold weather while the barn is shut down. I'm out here in the mare pasture with Posa and Diva and JJ in the background. Thank you to very generous donors throughout the years. Everybody has a nice warm blanket on for the impending single-degree weather and possible snow. Here's the boys' pasture, one of the boys' pastures. Here comes Vanny in his fashionable winter coat. Hi, buddy. We have Monty up here and Bo in the back corner. Hi, Monty. Now, these boys are really smart, and the reason these boys are really smart is because this shelter, the back of it, blocks the north wind. So as I walk into the shelter, it is actually not bad in here, not very cold at all. It's amazing what blocking the wind will do. Oh, Bo. You can see that Monty has followed me back and has his back up against the shelter again.
Smile.
Smile.
Yeah, smile. Diva's smiling.
Oh, big yawn.
Oh, man.
Thank you,
What a
Gary.
ham. Don't forget the cat.
Mouse isn't cold. Are you, Mouse? Gary has been taking awesome care of the horses. You can see here, this is the ice that he broke off of the water troughs this morning. That's some pretty thick ice that Gary has broken off of the water troughs this morning so the horses have access to fresh water. And here we have the water trough again. You can see Gary broke the ice off this morning. You can see the big area where he broke the ice off, and then this area in the middle still has fresh water, access to fresh water in it. The horses have just kept sticking their nose through this one thin spot of the ice all day, and they've been able to drink nice, fresh, albeit cold water all day. So
a quick update. Hopefully you guys are nice and warm and toasty, much like we are enjoying our sunshine today. As you saw, there was a lot of work that went into maintaining the herd and making sure that they were happy and healthy this week. The horses maintained happy and healthy thanks to a couple of key members of our staff and even some volunteers that ensured our horses were warm and toasty and bellies full. Unfortunately, we had a learning curve with busted pipes, and I think we are all too familiar in Texas with what these now look like. But we were very fortunate that the horses remained healthy, and the only kind of bad happening that we had was a busted pipe. We are working on getting that fixed and situated. We are happy to report that we are back in business with water again, and much like the rest of Texas, we are just kind of waiting our turn for the professionals to come in and help us from here on out. But we are happy to report that the herd is happy, healthy, and that we are back in business.